If you want to learn how to cook these yummy, mouth-watering, fall-off-the-bone ribs, keep watching to find out. First, you want to start out by getting a pork sirloin back rib and cutting it in 2 halves down the middle. After cutting your ribs, you want to thoroughly cover them with a dry rub. A lot of people say not to pat it down. I like to pat it down to get it more into the meat. But you just want to really make sure that it's super covered in your dry rub. Next, you're going to get a deep disposable pan is what I like to use, so you can just recycle it afterwards. You put a little bit of oil in the bottom, whatever oil you prefer, and then you put the 2 racks of ribs in with the meat side up. Then you're going to want to put it in your preheated toaster oven or oven. If you're using a toaster oven, put it at 400 degrees. If you're using a regular oven, put it at 375 for 60 minutes. After the 60 minutes is up, flip your ribs over and reduce the heat to 350 or 325 for a regular oven and cook it for 30 more minutes. When your ribs have cooked for 30 more minutes, you're going to want to put barbecue sauce on them, just whatever barbecue sauce that you like the most. After the ribs have cooked for 20 more minutes, I like to put them meat side up directly on the rack with it on broil, and you put a pan underneath to catch any of the drippings so your oven doesn't catch on fire or start smoking. And you put them on broil for about 15 minutes, and then you take them out and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. And once they've rested, you get to cut them up and you get delicious ribs. Thank you so much for watching.